Nutritious and good food helps one looks good and healthy. Today's recipe is Ofe Nsala, also known as white soup. It's rich in protein, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acid. Nsala soup is perfect for a cold, rainy day due to its spicy taste. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Life with Ogo. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you're on this channel for the first time, thank you for tuning in. I indulge you to please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and kindly share the videos so we can grow this channel. Thank you. So the ingredients you're going to be needing for this is hard chicken. You could use the soft one, or tuber of yam. We're going to pound it. It's going to be used as a seasoning. We're going to need some crayfish, some smoked or dry fish, seasoning cubes, Uziza seeds, Uziza leaves. You could add snail or cow skin if you want. It's just an optional thing. I did that. So what I did, I cleaned the chicken and I allowed it to cook in its own juice. I seasoned it up, and then after some 10 minutes, I poured water into it and I allowed it to cook thoroughly because it's hard. Now, when it has cooked more than another 10 minutes, I just go ahead and add the tuna yam, which I already cut and washed. I add it to the water and I allow it to cook. Now, when it's very, very soft, I take it out of the boiling pot, set it aside because I'm going to pound it or blend it, and then I add all of that local ingredients into the soup, which is very, very important. Now, after that, when it starts boiling, I return the yam that I blended or pounded back into the pot to start thickening the soup. Now, finally, when it has come to a full boil and you see how it has thickened and reduced in liquid quantity, you can now add your Uziza leaf. Immediately you add your Uziza leaf, 2 minutes is enough, you get it off the stove. Look at how amazing that looks. Now, you can have it like this if you're under the weather or you just gave birth. If there is Ehuru there, do not take it if you just gave birth. But anyways, or pair it with pounded yam mostly or semovita. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun, share the video, and please thumbs up. Bye.